How's everyone doing today? Well, I'm back up at the farm again with Kristen. As you can tell, we're standing in front of the horse trailer here. You know that's never a good sign when that's out, because you know Kijiji and Kristen are best friends now. I came up Friday night and we went for a road trip. What was it? Yesterday, Saturday. And what did you pick up again? Well, what was the initial plan?
A cow and another bull calf for beef.
Right. So, well, the main cow, she was in milk, right?
Yeah.
So we milked her last night, but what did the farmer tell us when we got down there?
That he had a little Angus, which is a beef breed, cross Jersey, 2-day-old heifer that was a really good deal.
Right, so...
and too good to pass up. So we brought her home too.
So we came home with 3 cows instead of 2. So let's go meet them here quickly. We don't have names yet. The name they gave the mother cow, she's 3 years old. 2, almost 3. Is Pense. We don't like that, so we're gonna change her name. Well, we're gonna come in, see how they're doing this morning. It's a little dark in the barn here. Good morning. There we go. This was the first night. Sorry it's so dark in here. Maybe I'll come around this way where the light's hitting. So here's a little bull calf down here. That's one down there. And here comes Mama Cow. She apparently is likes to be on camera. There you go. Hello. How was your first night? It was good. You should have some straw out of your mouth so you look decent for the camera.
Hey.
Hey. Not straw. Hey. And here's a cross here, the Jersey Angus. Let's see if we can get in here and check him out, or her out. She's a little heifer. Yeah, it's really dark in here. But she's really, she's 3 days old now. And she was very lively yesterday. And we're not sure what we're going to do with her. We might breed her, or we might just keep her, butcher her, or we may sell her. Oh, there we go. She's saying good morning to us now. Yeah, so like I said, last night we milked her, and it's pretty awesome to have milk again. You excited about that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Goat's milk soon too, so we're gonna be swimming in milk.
Oh yes, we'll show you the 2 goats we have in the pens here. Misty and Gertie. They are probably going to be having babies pretty soon here in the next few days, Kristen thinks. So here's Misty here. Hi Misty. She's a nice little goatie. Nigerian dwarf. And here's Gertie. She's very vocal. She likes to tell you things. And this, she's Nubian cross, right?
Yeah.
Nubian Jersey cross.
Nubian Nigerian.
Nubian Nigerian.
No cow crosses.
No cow crosses. It's still early in the morning here. Go, and well, we got baby rabbits. They popped up 2 weeks ago. Oh, we left her in last night.
Yeah, I forgot to take her out.
And they're looking very adorable here. So that's it. Just wanted to show you the new cows that Kristen had to have. Now she is a cow farmer. She's got, what, 6 cows now?
Yep.
So that's exciting. So, I mean, some will be for beef, and we've had people already ask us for beef from them, which is pretty good. Helps us around here. Put some cash in the pocket so she can buy more cows in a few more weeks. So there you go. I just wanted to do a quick update on more cows and what's going on here. So thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you out there. Have a great day.